What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
Me and my brother were always fighting all the time, and he got really mad at this last argument that we had, and he just grabbed it and tossed it on the floor, and it broke. He smashed it.
Don't worry, I got you.
Thank you.
It looks like screen is not cracked from the outside. But you see, there is no crack on the outside, but right here it got a hit. So that's why the LCD got a line like that. Let's start it.
Good job. Oh my god.
Pew! 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 We're gonna transfer the Face ID on the new screen. Screen is ready, time to cook back glass. Surgery time. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Glue time. We're gonna take the old adhesive out and apply a new one. Your phone is ready, miss.
Oh my God, finally, I really needed it. Damn, what a difference.
It's like new again.
Yeah, oh my God. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.